Hey everybody, hope you're good. If you're new around here, welcome. And if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. In today's video, my name is Abby, by the way. In today's video, I will be doing a length check, which isn't something I've done before. So yeah, I will be talking about the products I'm using currently in my hair care routine. My natural hair has been natural for, is it 8 months now? But along those lines, so in that 8 months I have actually cut my hair twice during lockdown. I think I cut it in March and then I cut it again around June. So at the time I wasn't really sure if I wanted to keep my hair short just for the sake of convenience and because I was just really liking having short hair. And now I think I'm going to grow it out. So am I in focus? So yeah, so now I think I'm going to grow it out. So my hair, let's just see where it's at. So I have washed it with this same set, and what I found, so this is what my hair feels like, and it's been about 8 months with 2 haircuts. So if my hair is badly in need of a trim right about now, but I actually was curious to know how long my hair was, because with afro hair, I mean, shrinkage is real. So I want to know how long my hair has grown in the time that I have been growing it. Okay, so this is my little ruler. I'm going to try and straighten my hair. Oh, this is a lot harder than it looks. What am I doing with a ruler in my head? Okay, so I'm not going to try and stretch my hair longer than it needs to be stretched. But, right. Okay. So, apparently, that part of my hair is between 8.5 and 9 centimeters, which is crazy because when you look at my hair in its kind of raw state, it's about 3 centimeters. So can you see that? So it's about 3 centimeters. So my hair is so coily. I don't know what my hair is in terms of, is it 4B or 4C, but I feel like it might be 4B. When I put the products I'm going to talk about in here, so when I put the products I'm going to talk about in my hair, the curls are a bit more defined. Right now it kind of just looks like straight up afro, but the curls are a little bit more defined. So I think my hair might be 4B, I think, or 4A mixed in as well. There's some bits in my hair that are like the curls are just totally defined. But yeah, so that is what my hair is. So that's where my hair is right now. I'm going to talk about the products I use in my hair at the moment. So usually when my hair is damp coming out from the shower, once I've washed the conditioner and the mask off, I would put my, where is it gone? So I have 2 to 3 products that I juggle. So I have the Soften Free Curl Activator Lotion, 2-in-1 activator and moisturizer. This stuff is magic. I got it for like £2.99 from my local beauty supply store, and I love using it on damp hair. And another thing I like using throughout the week is my ORS Hair Repair Coconut Oil and Baobab Anti-Breakage Conditioning Cream for weak and damaged hair. I've been using it since my hair was relaxed and I love it. It smells amazing. It's the most sophisticated, intoxicating coconut floral scent you will ever smell. It smells amazing. This has got to be one of the best scents ever in any skincare or hair care products, just for the scent alone, but it's also very moisturizing. The only thing is, I think there's another version of this, which there's 2 versions of this. This one is the anti-breakage, and the other one I think is a little bit more nourishing. So what it is, because this is a lighter formula, I just add some glycerin. You know this already. If you've been watching my channel, you know I put glycerin in everything. If anything is not moisturizing or hydrating enough, I dab some glycerin in there, and it's just been great. So I love this stuff. So it's either that or this. And then the newest thing in my routine is the ORS Olive Oil Incredibly Rich Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion, and this is what it looks like. and I got it from Boots actually. It says it's infused with castor oil for strengthening. It adds shine, helps prevent breakage, and promotes healthy hair growth. So yeah, I've been using this. I have used RS products for a very long time. So in today's routine though, I think I'm going to take a couple pumps of this and just put it throughout my hair. I've kind of moved away from using like gel in my hair to define the curls. I just don't think it's necessary. And this stuff keeps my hair soft for a few days as well. So it's really good. If you look, I think it's the same thing applies with skincare and hair care. If you apply your moisturizing ingredients products on wet hair, it kind of locks in the moisture. So it helps keep your hair soft. So once I am done, what I like to do is to pat my hair back. So I put these two. So I put that first. So I put the Soften Free first. I've already detangled my hair in the bath, so I'm not going to do that today. So I'll take a scoop of this. And if you're worried about clashing scents as well, what I found is that the scent of this kind of covers everything. So, and this smells okay as well. So this has I don't even know what is the scent. It's like a kind of sweet, I don't know, it's a unique scent, but it's not a bad scent at all. But you cannot compare it to the scent in this. I just love this stuff. So I like rubbing this into my scalp to get the circulation going, and my edges are growing back as well, so I never thought I'd say this. If you've seen an old video I did when my hair was relaxed in terms of how I cover my edges, which I am still using by the way, I will link that. I didn't think my edges would grow because I used to practice doing hair on myself before I did it for a lot of people, before I did it for other people, and that's how I made my money before I went into retail. So I used to do hair for people and like friends, family, clients' children. So that's how I made money all the way throughout college up until I started university. When I say college, I mean college in the UK, not college as in university in the US. So up until that time, I couldn't get a job because I didn't have any experience. So what I did was to learn how to do hair. So that's what I did, and in that time I lost all my hair, like in the front. Like my hair was very well taken care of, but because I was constantly changing up my hairstyles, it took a toll on my edges, and for the longest time I just didn't think my edges would grow back. But I've been putting this oil concoction, which is just some vitamin C powder, castor oil, jojoba oil, and I think, what is it again, rosemary essential oil, because that's supposed to be good for circulation. So yeah, so I've got like a bunch of different oils that I mix together that I use in my hair, and avocado oil as well actually. So yeah, and I've been using that in my roots and on my edges as well. And then once I'm done moisturizing, I'll just put this in. Once I'm done moisturizing, I rub this into my hair. And I will come back once my face is actually on. Yep, so I'll come back once my face is on and I will show you what it looked like. So that's everything I do. And then in terms of what I use to style, so like I said, my hair will shrink eventually. So what I like to do, because my hair does need a trim, what I like to do is to pat my hair in plaits, and I actually shape my hair into like a mold of some sort. So I pat it into place and eventually it shrinks back down into a nice round shape. And once I've styled my edges, that's really it. That's what I do to my hair right now. I've started experimenting with like wearing little scarves on my like a little headband scarf situation for like if I'm a bit more dressed up, and or I'll wear my head ties as well. So I do also sell head ties. I will link that in the description box as well if you are interested. I'll just wear those around the house. But that is everything I use. In terms of styling, I am still using my Got To Be glue, my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect Edges in black. It's this black gel, and it's just used to cover the sparse parts of my hair. And most recently I've been using this L'Oreal Magic Retouch Instant Root Concealer Spray. It is very, very odd. It's very cold on the scalp, but I feel like it also almost acts like a sealing hairspray. So that's kind of what I use it for. It adds a bit of coverage, but just not as much as I need it to. So I think I got it on offer for like $5.99 at Boots as well, but you can get it everywhere. So yeah, I use this on my roots as well. And sometimes if I really want to have like if I'm in a rush and I don't have time to be smoothing down my edges, I will just use my Topic hair fibers just on my edges as well. So if you're out there and you're struggling with your edges while you're trying to grow your edges back, these are the kind of products you can use. So in terms of the order that I use them in, I'll lay down my Got To Be glue first. Then I will either use this edge control, or if I'm in a rush, I'll just tap this on there and use that to smooth my edges. And then as a last step, I'll use this Magic Retouch just to fill in any holes, and that's really all there is to it. That's all she wrote. So I'm just going to try it in like, maybe I might comb out my hair again just to see if I can reshape it a bit. But yeah, I'm at that odd stage where my hair is too long to be worn in a low haircut, but then it's not long enough to be worn in a full afro. So I think coming up I might start braiding my hair as well. So I might start incorporating some like braiding videos into my channel. But yeah, so those are all the products I've been using. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like once it's styled. Not that you can even call this styling. All I've done is just moisturized, combed it back up, patted it back down again, and yeah, and just put some, I don't know, lay down my edges a little bit on the sides, and that is all I do to my hair these days. I'm toying with the idea of putting my hair into single plaits or crochet braids, because as you've seen when I did a little measure of my hair, my hair is more than long enough. And just pat that back down again. See, this is what is so good when you have proper shrinkage, because your hair can be very deceiving. Like the hair in the front and in the perimeter is a little bit shorter than the hair in the middle, I will say that, because I was trying to maintain the haircut that I gave myself a while back. But as you can see, my hair is growing. So yeah, I'm toying with the idea. I'm at that awkward stage where I can only pat it down so much. Pat it down so you can't really see. But I do feel like I need to change something. I'm starting to get itchy hands now. So this is what my hair looks like. Just wanted to give you an update. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you are on your hair journey as well. Are you at that critical stage too, where you don't know whether or not you want to cut it again or grow it out? Speaking of cutting it versus growing it out, I love Ronke Raji's hair. Like when she announced that she'd cut her hair, I was just like, what? But she looks amazing. She looks amazing. She is wearing that short haircut, and she's kind of swaying me in the direction of cutting my hair just to maintain the haircut, because what I've seen, like if I put my hair like my hands like this, what I see is that it elongates your face. Like for me, I have a round face, and depending on the hairstyle that I have, my face can look even rounder, like more round than it actually is, depending on the hairstyle. So I feel like tapering the sides would definitely help my face look a lot more, just a lot longer, which is what it needs really. I think that would suit me, so I am tempted, but then I really want to know what my hair looks like when it's grown out, so I'm just like at a crossroads right now, major dilemmas. But yeah, there could be worse things to have dilemmas about, but that's really where I am right now. But I'm just really tempted to, can you see what I mean? I'm really tempted to just keep the sides tapered and just keep everything lower down, and it just means I don't have to worry about my hair for another couple of months. I don't know, I really don't know. I'll figure something out. Maybe my next hair video, not the next, so I've got a couple more hair videos coming, or hair related videos coming up, not to do with hairstyling but hair products. But at some point I will release another hair styling video, and by then you know what I've decided. It's either that I would have cut my hair, or I'm gonna do something with my hair to actually grow out further, so we'll get there anyway. But if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think, where you are in your hair journey, hair growth journey. And until next time, stay blessed. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, or night, wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.